Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to be installing this OREiN LED security light with motion sensor. It's probably one of the cheaper ones on Amazon. So let's open it up and see how much quality comes in this box here. I think it was just under $30, so the standards for this should be pretty high, actually. Alright, well, here's the actual light. This is actually the reason that I chose this one, is because just the adjustability in the arms. It's going to be getting placed over by a spot that, well, I don't want to be blasting it in the neighbor's windows, so this way I can kind of pivot it around and have some adjustability. And this is hardwired in. Let's see what else we got here. Seems like screws. Some screws and a plate for mounting it. Instructions. Alright, so this one does have a timer on it, apparently, somewhere. Timer settings. Oh, it's on the back here. Sensitivity, time, and lux. Let's turn lux all the way up. Sensitivity all the way up. Time, let's 10 seconds to 8 minutes. Let's turn it up to 8 minutes. Yeah, let's go throw it in the wall and see what it looks like. So this is the old one that I had put up. It's about 5 years old and both bulbs have fully burnt out. So let's see how long the new one lasts, and let's start by popping this one out. So this one just unscrews here, and I probably shouldn't have to mention it, but you know, since it is hardwired in, you know, it's running off a 110, which it's enough to make it hurt, so you don't want to get zapped by that. What is it painted on? Alright, so we just have two wires, white to white and black to blue. So before we wire in the other plate, we're going to feed these wires through here. That's the more flexible one. Sure, that looks centered. And to mount this plate, the screws are not included, so I'm just using wood screws, which should be fine for the next 5 years, and when this one burns out, just replace them again. Well, I guess 3 is perfect because I only grabbed 3, so yep, that'll do. All right, white to white, black to blue. I guess that was not latched in. All right, well, I guess we're testing the durability on this because that was a 9-foot drop. Let's try that again and... Well, I guess we'll find out if these things can handle some abuse. It took a little bit of paint scuffing, but should be fine. All right, in the kit, they do give you some hardware in here. So let's go with the longest ones. Just jam those back in there. Yeah. Sure we're not pinching any wires. Looks mediocre. One of those holes there. Oh, you know what? Apparently I'm hitting the wood behind that screw. All right, take 2. I'll pop these screws back out. I think that's in there. So we either have to mount the plate over more so that we clear the opening, or yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Yeah, perfect. All right, that's installed. Let me just, what, I think it said 9 feet up in the air at a 5-degree angle. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, so then we'll just, yeah, there is a lot of adjustment in these things. That is pretty cool. So we do have manual mode that we can try. I'll turn the power on. Apparently to adjust our settings, there's this red power button. It's 1 flash, that's wall switch. I think that's 2 flashes. So that's motion sensor. And 3 rapid flashes, that is dusk to dawn. So it's 30% on all the time at night, and then when it sees motion, then it goes brighter. We'll have to wait till dark to check it out and adjust for sure, but now we'll wait. See you in a bit. Look at the adjustability on these things. That's pretty cool. You can even go up. Alright, I guess that's the limit up. You go straight down. Out. Angle. You go 1 up, 1 down. That's special. So it's dark now. Let's turn on the lights. Well, it's quite bright out there. Let's go take a look. Well, I think I'm going to leave this one currently set at dusk till dawn. So right now it's at 100% of the brightness, but when it doesn't sense motion, it'll drop back down to 30%, and it'll just run at that till it senses motion again, and then kick back up to 100%. I think it does a really good job of lighting up a big area, and well, we know it can handle a 9-foot drop, so it's decently durable, but we'll probably play around with the settings and see what we like better. But what's cool is it has that kind of versatility, and installing it is pretty simple. I got probably 4 years out of the last LED lamp set, so if I get another 4 years out of this one, yeah, it should be good. But well, I hope you like this video, and I appreciate it when you guys hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and keep doing more of this kind of stuff. So until next time, thanks and take care.